The BabyBjörn Mini is suitable from newborn, with a minimum weight of 7 pounds and 21 inches. It can be used up to 24 pounds or around 12 months. Start by putting on the harness like a vest, with the BabyBjörn logo on your left side. Position the strap cross just below your shoulder blades, so it sits comfortably. Use the built-in ruler to set the size adjustment based on your baby's height. Slide the double buckle along the ruler to find the right setting. Attach the carrier front to the harness by clipping each harness strap into the double buckle until you hear a click on each side. Bring the panel up and attach one side latch by hooking it into the slot on the shoulder strap. Then lightly tighten both shoulder straps. Hold baby on your side facing you. Then guide one of their legs through the opening between your body and the carrier panel. Lift the panel up behind baby's back while supporting them with your other hand. With baby in place, attach the second latch by hooking it into the slot on the other shoulder strap. For you, check that the straps feel snug and comfortable and form an X across the center of your back to help balance weight evenly. Clip both sides of the head support and adjust the straps so baby's head is fully supported, with their face clear and visible. If your baby is between 7 and 10 pounds, fasten the leg straps to reduce the leg openings and keep them secure. Finally, tighten the shoulder straps one at a time. Lift baby slightly and position their legs into an M position as you go. Before heading out, use the T.I.C.S check. Make sure baby is tight and secure, in view at all times, close enough to kiss, with their chin off their chest, and their back supported in an upright position. Keep checking in on baby every few minutes while you're out.